Hey everybody, today we're at 40670 Brookside Avenue in the city of Cherry Valley. This is an addition to the main home, detached, for your privacy. Today we're going to go ahead, take a look inside. This property is very unique. You do have your own gated entry through there, carport parking in the front, walking around. You will notice a couple additional buildings there, and we'll explore those in a second. But first, we'll come through the main door here into the kitchen. Kitchen does include a stove oven. Here, you do have some counter space, cabinet space up top as well. And then through, we'll head into the bathroom. Really good sized bathroom. Brand new enclosure here. Vanity. And then coming back through into, this could be a bedroom, as it does have that closet there. And then you do have your wall unit. And then exterior access as well through that far door. And then this door you can close off from the kitchen if you wanted to do that. Walking through, we do have a large living space here with slider door access to the patio. Home has updated flooring and recessed lighting throughout for some modern touches. Then you do have an additional room here as well. Mattress is not included. Those will be removed. Again, this room can't be classified as a bedroom because there is not a closet, but you could use it as such. Let's go explore those additional buildings. So coming back out, you do have this good sized patio here covered to enjoy. Walking through, this is a detached room here, as you can see. Tile flooring, window, nice big light. No closet, so again, cannot be classified as a bedroom, but you could use it as such, or maybe additional storage or music room, office. And then this dwelling straight across is actually your laundry with utility sink and toilet. This is a really good size space. Could definitely utilize this as additional storage. Washer dryer there, nice and bright. And that's it, guys. 40670 Cherry Valley, Brookside Avenue in Cherry Valley. Again, additional home built next to the main home. Private, pretty quiet. Give us a call, 909-256-7005, True Door Property Management. Thanks, guys.